Hello everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to install the Armbian operating system for the Banana Pi M20 single board computer. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to Armbian's website, which is right here, which is https www.armbian.com, and just go to downloads, and you'll see the one for the Banana Pi M20. If you want to install it for another single board computer, you can. There's a variety of them right here. Armbian is not Raspberry Pi does not support Armbian, so if you try to install Armbian on a Raspberry Pi single board computer, it will not work. So for the Banana Pi, it will work. So Banana Pi M20. If you want to get the desktop with the GUI or graphical user interface, then it will be the Armbian Buster. Go here to archive, select Banana Pi M20, like right there. Go to archive. I want to select the Armbian Buster. I selected this one right here, 628 megabytes. I downloaded it already. Like right there. So, and you have to extract it into a folder, which I did. If you don't have 7-zip, you can go download 7-zip to extract the file. 7-zip is a free program you can use to unzip all types of file, like .rar files and .zz files, like the one that I'm using right now. So you could just download this and install it for your computer. Most computers have x64 or 64-bit. Windows 10 computers do. So just select the one that is appropriate for the operating system that you're using. If you're using Windows 64-bit, then select Windows 64-bit, like that, and download it and install it in your computer. So this is the latest version, so I would recommend that you use the latest version of 7-zip. Install it and download it into your computer. I already downloaded it. It's not very hard to do, so let's move on. So you just go here to this file, and let's say I didn't do that, so I just go here to 7-zip. I want to extract it here. It doesn't take very long to complete. Okay, so this is the file that I want to flash with Etcher. So if you don't have Etcher, you just go download it on this website. Select the one for your computer. If you have a Mac, so select Mac. If you have a Windows-based computer, select this, and then just download it and save it onto your computer and download it. And install it. Download it and install it, sorry. Okay, so now that's done. I'm gonna stick my USB drive with my micro SD card in it. So it's a USB micro USB card reader. Stick that into my computer. As you can hear, it's in now. I don't want to format it here, so I'm going to start Etcher. Select the image. Just make sure you know which directory that's in. For me, it's here. I'm going to select that. Select the USB card reader. Just make sure you select the right one, because if you select the wrong one, you're gonna erase everything in that USB device. So let's say you had another USB device in here which you were using for something else to store information, and you write over it, all that stuff is going to be formatted and overwritten. So just keep that in mind before you start this. So this is the only USB device I have on my computer. USB storage device, I mean. Okay, so this is what I'm going to select, and I'm going to flash it. This will take several minutes. Okay, it's almost done. So Armbian is it's an operating system for ARM-based computers. Basically, you have Armbian for various different computers. You have it for Odroid, other types of single board development boards and stuff like that, and others like others with rock chips and Orange Pi and stuff like this. So it's finished right now. So all you do is you just eject this from your eject it here, and then just take it out, physically remove it, and then take out the micro USB card and put it into your single board computer and start it up. That's it. So I'll show you in the next part what you have to do. Okay, I inserted the micro SD card into my Banana Pi M20 single board computer, so I'm going to start it up now. Hold on. Get that. Okay. So I'm using a KVM. So I just switch to my single board computer. Okay, starting up. There's a reason why the screen is kind of like has problems right now, and I'll get to that right after. Right now it's just configuring everything to your SBC right now, so it will take a few minutes, and you need to create a username and a password to get in there, get into the desktop. Okay, it shows the stats of the system. So the root password is 1234. New root password. Okay, that's the one that I want to create. Whoops. Okay, I'll create my new root password. Okay, I created that. My username, Ace1000KS1975. F. I guess I'll use the same password. Okay, now it's starting up the desktop. And right now I have to fix the screen problem. I think Armbian works at 720p. Right now it's trying to force 1080p, which Armbian isn't capable of doing. So go to applications. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe I'll shift it up there. Okay, applications. Go to settings. Go to display and switch that from 1080p to 720p and apply that. So you're not going to have refresh rate problems now as a result. Okay, close. That's it. So the first thing you would want to do is connect to Wi-Fi. So you could go to the terminal emulator or terminal and type in sudo. I think it's Armbian config. It's going to ask for your password. And then it gives you this warning. Of course, if you don't have internet, then you can't really do anything with this. So I'm going to connect to the internet. So you need to go to network, go to Wi-Fi, and manage wireless network. Select that. That's my network. That's my SSID for my Wi-Fi. Put in the password for that and press enter. Okay, it's connected. So left arrow key down, enter to quit. And then now Wi-Fi is connected. So first thing you should do is update your operating system. Put in your password. Always ask for password, Linux does. And then now it's updating everything. This will take, I don't know, anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. So let's fast forward through this process. You'll want to watch all of this. And after we do this, we're going to upgrade the operating system as well. This will be a good way to test out your Wi-Fi's speed or bandwidth. It's downloading at 4,800 to 5,000 kilobytes per second. Not bad. Okay. I'll fast forward through this and get to the next part. It's finished updating, so I want to upgrade now. So it's sudo apt get upgrade. Ask for my password again. This is going to take a while, so let's fast forward through this again. You don't want to watch this, do you? I don't think so. Okay, it asked me if I want to add 15.6 megabytes of additional space. Yes. And now it's going to do its thing. So I'll fast forward from here. Now that's all done. So I'm going to exit. Going to check something out. I want to check out Task Manager. Okay, the Task Manager started. So it's using about 194 megabytes. And this computer has about 512 megabytes of memory, but some of it's also being used for the GPU memory as well. Okay, I'm going to keep that running. Try to run a web browser with it. If you want to install any program, you can go into the terminal emulator and find the commands for it and download the applications that you want, basically. Okay, I just want to see how much memory this thing uses and how much CPU power. Okay. And for my SBC, I put a fan and heatsink on it, so it's keeping pretty cool. But if you don't, it's going to overheat pretty quickly. So CPU usage was, did you see that? 87%, 100%. Memory is almost gone. 307 megabytes. I can't. This thing is pretty efficient in the way that it uses memory compared to an x86 based operating system. That's not surprising. Linux is efficient in itself. Linux and ARM is also very efficient as well. It does have some trouble. Okay. Close that. And I'm going to shut this down. So if you want to install any applications, just go to Terminal Emulator or Terminal and just install it here. Just like you do in any other Linux distro. So I'm just going to sign off, shut down. That's it. So anyways, that's how you get started. So thanks for watching. By Ace 1000KS 1975 signing out.